Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a huge makeup and a beauty lover just like myself, I feel like you can't pass out on this huge Sephora holiday savings event happening right now. I will leave the information to the Sephora sale as well as the dates somewhere here on the screen, as well as in the description box down below. Now, truth be told, I wasn't planning on filming today. I wasn't in the mood to film a video. I just wasn't feeling myself. My mood was off. Just things weren't going good. But I feel like those are the days where you need to get up, get focused, and shake it off. Be productive, achieve something, because it's an instant mood booster. And I'm so glad I did it. I'm happier. I'm glad I did this. And I thought of filming a quick get ready with me video for you guys using my favorite Sephora beauty products. And it is to achieve this signature look of mine. It's a soft, natural glam. And yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, what products I used, make sure to keep watching. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and your post notifications are turned on so you never miss a video. FYI, I have lots of exciting holiday season content coming your way, lots of fashion hauls. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed so you never miss a video. And now let's jump into it. So first thing, I have prepped my skin off camera using my favorite serum and moisturizer. And that brings me to my first product that I want to share with you guys. It is this Lancome Youth Activating Concentrate, and I use it twice a day, daily, in my daytime and nighttime skincare routine. It's also great under makeup as a primer, and it gives me all the skin benefits that I need. I am in my 30s, so any added help with anti-aging, with fine lines, wrinkles, pigmentation, firmness, and also even skin tone, this really addresses all those things. I will leave the link to this down below. Next up is another great product to prep my under eye. Again, I'm in my 30s. I need the skincare benefits before I start applying my beauty products, any makeup. It's the Banana Bright Eye Cream from Ole Henriksen. It is so hydrating under my eyes. It lightens and brightens my under eyes. It also helps with wrinkles and fine lines. It's great to wear under makeup. Next up is another skincare favorite. It is the Codaly Beauty Elixir. It is great for prepping your skin before makeup. It is great to wear without makeup for that glowy, natural, dewy skin. And it's a light mist. It smells so great. You can also use it as a setting spray. Now it's time to start with the beauty products. So first things first, we need to prime our face before makeup. And I love the Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Smoothing and Blurring Primer. And this primer is great for oily combination skin. I need priming, especially in my T-zone area. I have a ginormous pores and skin texture, so this is great to fill in those pores, blur in any texture, any imperfections, and makes your makeup stay and last long. So now that my skin is prime and prepped, we are ready for makeup, and I'm gonna start off with concealer, and I'm using my favorite Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin High Coverage Concealer. Now, this is a great concealer. It has high coverage and a little goes a long way. It's a thick formula, so it provides great coverage, and I can go without using a color corrector with this, and I will link it down below. Now, after applying the concealer using a brush, I like to go in with a sponge just to blend in my concealer seamlessly. And I like to go in with this Sephora Angled Sponge. And I really like this sponge. It's more stiffer than the Beauty Blender, which I personally prefer. It doesn't soak in all my product. I get the high coverage, but the seamless finish that I'm looking for. Next up for foundation, I really love the Nars Semi-Matte All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. I love the formula of this foundation. It's so lightweight. It has sheer to medium coverage, which feels comfortable all day on my skin. It has 16-hour oil control, which is great for oily combination skin. It feels light, feels natural, which is what I look for in a foundation. Now, I completely forgot this step, but we're gonna go in with our concealer and apply this to the high points of our face for that added brightness and that lift. Now we're gonna set the makeup and the concealer, and I'm gonna go in with my favorite, again, the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Next, I like to add some color to my face using a cream contour stick, and then I set it using a powder bronzer. So first is my favorite, the Fenty Beauty Contour Stick, and this is in a universal brown shade, which looks good on every skin type. Now I'm gonna go in with a bronzer just to set in that cream contour, and I love using my Hoola bronzer by Benefit. This is in the color Light. This is a perfect light shade for whenever I don't have a tan, so it instantly gives me that natural bronzed look. Now that we have some life and some color back into our face, I'm gonna go in with my highlighter, and I am obsessed with the Becca Glow Silk Highlighter Drops. I love a liquid highlighter as opposed to a powder highlighter just because I have lots of texture around the high points of my face, and this highlighter is amazing. You can intensify your highlight for as beaming as you want it to be, or you can go for that muted, soft, natural glow from within look. And I love using this with my fingertips and a damp sponge. So the base face makeup is done, it's out of the way. I have a blush and setting spray left that I'm gonna come back to towards the end. But right now we need to address these brows. They need some major attention right here. So we're gonna jump into that. And I like using my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Brow filler on one side with the color, and the other tip has a spoolie tip where you can brush up your hairs and just diffuse the product as needed. Now I'm gonna go in with the GimMe Brow, again, a Benefit product. It's a volumizing brow gel just to keep my brow hairs in place. Next up, for eyeshadow palettes, my favorite palette to use all year round, and especially for fall, it is the Tartelette palette in Toasted by Tarte. I am obsessed with this palette. It is my go-to palette for everyday glam. So I'm gonna add the color Latte just all over my eyelids. I love the earthy, warm, natural tones in this palette. We have some browns, burgundies, some oranges, some nudes and beige tones. Also, we have some shimmer, some shine, and some matte shades as well. The texture and formula of these eyeshadows is so buttery, so creamy, so blendable. Next, I'm gonna go in with the color Cashmere just on the inner corners of my eye. Next, I'm gonna go in with the color Warmth just to add a transition color to warm up my crease. Next, I'm gonna go in with the darker shade Simmer and add it to the ends and the corners of my eye to give it some dimension. And I like to slightly angle the eye into this triangle to give my eye a more lifted look with the darker shade. And now I go in back with my transition shade and kind of blend everything seamlessly together. Next, I'm gonna go in back to the first two shades, which was Latte and Warmth, and mix it up together and apply it onto my lower lids. All right, so I'm back. I did my eyeliner and my mascara off camera. Let's start off with the eyeliner that I used. My favorite is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. I really like this eyeliner pen. It comes in this fine felt tip finish, which gives me an easy application with it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a thin line onto my lids. For my mascara, I love using the Bad Gal by Benefit. I love the formula of this mascara. It doesn't clump, it gives me volume, lengthens my lashes. Now, for everyday soft natural glam, I usually skip falsies, but because this is a Sephora favorites video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you my favorite falsies, and they are by Lily Lashes, and they are in the light mink everyday natural lash. And the falsies are on. My eye makeup look is complete. I'm really happy with how my eyes are looking. I love these lashes. They're natural looking, yet they're wispy and sultry, make my eyes look bigger, make my eye makeup pop. And yeah, they're comfortable to wear. I really like how fluttery and wispy they are. So yeah, I'll leave the link down below. And now for some blush. We can't complete a good makeup look without some good color on our cheeks, and I love the Nars blush in the shade Orgasm. I love this formula, I love the shade. It's just this iridescent color to your cheeks. And now to set our makeup in place so it doesn't budge and lasts all day and everything just melts into your skin, looks seamless and flawless, I love using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And we'll just give it a good shake. And a nice spritz. I like using the Huda Beauty lip liner in the color Muse. Her lip liners are just so creamy and smooth to glide on over your lips. I like to slightly overline my lips with the lip liner, and this is in the prettiest mauve-y color. And I am slightly just gonna go ahead and overline my lips. And now for lipstick, I love, and again, a cult favorite is the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. This is just such a great formula for sensitive, dry lips. The formula is so soothing, hydrating, moisturizing, so smooth and creamy, almost like a satin-like finish. And last, to finish off this look, we need a great lip topper, and I love a good gloss. I'm a gloss girl, as you know. So I have my two favorites to share with you guys. We have the Buxom Lip Plumping Lip Gloss, and then we have the Fenty Lip Gloss. These two are my favorites. They're great to wear on their own, and they work great as lip toppers. So I'm gonna use the Fenty one today. That is it, you guys. This is the final finished makeup look. I really like how this look turned out. It is my signature natural soft glam. I really hope you liked it, and comment down below which product was your favorite and what you're looking forward to shop at the Sephora sale. But before you go, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and got your post notification turned on, because I have lots of exciting holiday season content coming up your way. I will also be doing lots of fashion hauls, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, where I share daily fashion inspiration, fashion finds, and also giveaway details coming real soon. With that, I hope you have a great rest of the week, and I will see you next time. Bye!